In this video, I will show you how to cancel subscriptions in Google Play Store on any Android device. And if you have any question towards the end of this video, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section. I'm going to reply immediately once I see it. And do consider smashing that subscribe button if you find this video helpful. Alright, let's get right to it. Simply start by opening your Play Store app. Once your app is open and fully loaded, then all you have to do is click this profile icon that you can see on the top right corner. Once you click on it, you are going to see payments and subscriptions. Click on it. Now once you get here, click on subscriptions. So it's going to load up a bit. So in here, you'll be able to see your active subscription. You can see that I have a subscription for Canva. I also have a subscription available for Spotify. So if you want to cancel any of your active subscription, it's quite easy. You just click on it, and then at the bottom you see cancel subscription. So it's the same thing with my Spotify. If I'm to click on it, you also see cancel subscription. So this is the fastest way for you to actually cancel any subscription in your Play Store app. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 1000 subscribers for a while now, and it have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now, I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can go ahead and also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.